What's up, y'all? Psychic Trauma here. Hashtag living the stream. Got no idea if my fucking voice is being heard. The microphone said it wasn't working there for a second, so let me check to see if it's working. Because if it's not, you're not hearing none of this. All right, live. There we go. It's been 3 weeks since I've worked out, dude. Yeah. Oh, audio's doing good. Alrighty. We'll go there. We will select our screen. Wait. We have to go back here. Wow, applying computer settings. There we go. We'll go to here. Alrighty. Alrighty, instruction. Assisted lab. Perform system configuration gap analysis. Scenario, a security team member of Structurality Inc. You, as a security team member, we're over here. All right. So we're going to go like this. All right, we'll get to that. Okay. Our resources. Let's look at our resources. All right, there's our username and our password. All right. Instructions. We got 1 hour remaining. Hopefully we do it in a half hour. As a security team member of Structurality Inc., you are working to improve your organization's security stance. Often the best path to a secure IT infrastructure starts with thorough planning and analysis. You will perform gap analysis of the current configuration of a system against a security template. In this lab, you will use security templates to manage a Windows Server configuration, which will entail using the Microsoft Policy Analyzer. The Microsoft Policy Analyzer just got done eating 2 cheeseburgers. All right. In this lab, you will use security templates to manage a Windows Server configuration, which will entail using the Microsoft Policy Analyzer to perform a security baseline template review and gap analysis. Understand your environment. We're going to bring this down. There we go. Understanding your environment. You'll be working from a virtual machine named PC10, hosting Windows Server 2019 and functioning as a client. Objectives. This activity is designed to test your understanding of and ability to apply content examples in the following compTIA Security Plus objectives. 1.2, summarize fundamental security concepts. 3.2, given a scenario, apply security principles to secure enterprise infrastructure. 4.1, given a scenario, apply common security techniques to computing resources. 4.4, explain security, alerting, and monitoring concepts and tools. 5.1, summarize elements of effective security governance. I'm drinking a Warartos pineapple. I was drinking it with the 2 cheeseburgers I ate. Okay, so we went to the store, we ate some food, we came back, cooked some food, watched some YouTube, and now we're back at what we're supposed to do like an hour or two ago. Alrighty. 4.4, explain security, alerting, and monitoring concepts and tools. 5.1, summarize elements of effective security governance. Alrighty, here we go. Perform gap analysis. Gap analysis is the act of comparing the current configuration of a system with a template, configuration file, baseline, security framework, or settings documentation. This is an essential operation to discover the differences between the intended or expected configuration of a system and its actual operating configuration. In this exercise, you will perform a gap analysis. Connect a PC10 virtual machine, send Control-Alt-Delete. Select other user and sign in as /admin with the password. Select the type icon and enter the associated text into the virtual machine. Since Jamie may be the default account, you must select the other user, then enter /admin followed by password as the password. Alrighty, let's get to that. We will hit the Control-Alt-Delete. Oh, shit. Uh-oh. Cancel. What the fuck was that? Control-Alt-Delete. All right, we have to push the button. Okay, we're going to click on other user, not Jamie. Username /admin Fraggle admin. Nope. We don't have to hold shift. That's right. Okay, tab. All right, so capital PA money sign W0RD. Enter. Alrighty, there we go. We will click on number 1. Okay, determine the build number for the Windows Server 2019 running in the PC10 virtual machine using WinVer. Select type here to search from the taskbar and type in WinVer, then select WinVer from the results. So we will go here, and that's when we will type our WinVer. No, we misspelled it. DR, right? Okay. Let's see if that's the right one. WinVer will run command. All right, Windows Server 2019. All righty, we got to click on this. All right. The About Windows window should be displayed. Look at the second line, which reads version 1809 OS build 1776 3.4377. Alrighty, so that would be here, right here, version 809. Yep, OS build 1776 3.4377. Okay. The Windows Server 2019 version 1809 is the OS build number, version number 1809, and the OS build number 1776.3 are fixed for this challenge. If you perform these operations against other systems, you will need to match the version and build numbers to the baseline template files. Alrighty, so we click on that. Select OK to close the About Windows window. Okay. Select Type here to search from the taskbar. Type PowerShell. Type here to search, and then we will type in PowerShell. Oops, PowerShell. Oh, no, we have to go back. We did not do that right. We are supposed to run as admin. Okay, we're closing out. Okay, so we have to go back down. Type here to search. Let's get this out of the way. Alrighty, so here, type here to search. Right, we click on there, and then we will type in our PowerShell. Okay. Go back here. Here we are. All right, and then select Run as Administrator. So we have to right-click, Run as Administrator. Bam! All right. Do you want to allow this app to change? Okay, so right here it says do not use PowerShell ISE or PowerShell x86. All right, we're not doing that. So yes, we do. Okay, so we click on there, select yes on the user account control window. User account control window is up here. That's what that says up there. All right, I don't know if you guys can see my cursor properly. But anyways, we'll click on yes. Alrighty, it's doing something. We got to minimize this. All right, so we're going to go do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Alrighty. Select yes on the user account control window. Yes. Okay. So enter, type copy D drive, all that shit. All right. This command copies policyanalyzer.zip in Windows 10 version 1809 and Windows Server's 2019 security baseline.zip from the read-only removable media virtual optical disk, i.e., drive D, to drive C/lab files. All right. If the command is successful, there will be no confirmation. These two files are from the Microsoft Security Compliance Toolkit. The baseline file was selected based on the OS version and build number. The Microsoft Security Compliance Toolkit includes the Policy Analyzer tool as well as numerous security configuration templates. Searching for the Microsoft Security Compliance Toolkit will help you locate the download area on the Microsoft website where these items are hosted. They have been provided for you, the student resource, in lab01.io ISO media. Okay, so copy. All right, that's not going to work. We just got to do it. Okay, so we'll just go COPY, capital D. Do you know Joey King Audits? Hello. No, Jesse Moore, I do not. How are you? I'll look into it after I'm done with this lab, all right? Okay, copy D, colon, slash, where's that symbol? Star symbol, which is the shift button and the number 8. And then we want, that doesn't look like a space, or is it? Well, C. Let's go backspace, C. We're going to try it with a space, all right? Slash, cap locks, lab, files. Turn caps lock off, enter. Okay. If the command is successful, there will be no confirmation. There's no confirmation. What he does live to you guys could do. He does lives too. You guys could do lives together. All right. Is he in Denver? Okay. So we did not get a confirmation, so I think we're good enough. All right, because we don't normally get that. All right, then we will enter cd change directory slash to C lab files to change into the directory. Okay, so we will cd change directory to C drive and R lab files. Oh shit. Fraggle. It's supposed to be lowercase caps locks. CD change directory to C drive in the lab files. All right, and then we will hit our enter. Bam, we are now in the C drive of lab files. We will turn off our caps lock. Okay, so we have to click here because we did this. All right, and we did this. Okay, then we have to enter ls to view the list of contents of the directory. So we click here, ls list. Oh, wow, look at that. A whole list of stuff going on there. Okay, so this is our directory C lab files, as you can see here. We'll highlight it. Okay. Alrighty. You should see policyanalyzer.zip and Windows 10 version 1809 and Windows Server 2019 security baseline zip on the list of files. Well, let's go look. There is our policy analyzer right there. All right, that's policy analyzer. Okay, and then this bottom one, Windows 10 version 1809, Windows Server 2019 security baseline zip. Alrighty. Okay, there it is. ls is a Linux command, one of many that are supported by Windows PowerShell. The dir will also display the directory contents. Okay, we click there. Bam. Enter the following commands to extract the contents of the zip files into their own subdirectories. Type expand-archive space path policy analyzer zip. Okay, and expand archive path. All right. It said a way on you can copy all this, but I don't remember that. And in the Kali Linux, you can't copy anyway. So we're just going to go ahead and type it. All right. So let's click on it. Let's get in there. All right. We need a capital E, so we'll go Shift E, expand dash archive dash path policy analyzer dot zip. All right, and we'll hit enter. All right, you saw that stuff pop up. So did it. Okay, and then we'll go like this, and then we'll just, what do you call that? Backspace, the path, oh, too far, path. And that's what we'll type in our Windows version 10. So we'll see if we can just Control C, Control V. Bam! You see that? We can copy and paste. Here, let's raise this a little higher, so that way you guys see it all. All right. So we just put in this one right here with the copy and paste. Oh, we need these thingies. We forgot our quotations. So we'll put a quotation there. We'll go over there. And quote. Oh, we gotta. There we go. All right. So then we should hit enter, right? Oh shit. It's gonna. System path file. Invalid argument. Okay, so let's go like this, and let's see about getting rid of the fucking quotations. Hit enter. Nope, same fucking thing. All right. Okay, expand archive dash path Windows. We'll just type it all the way fucking in then, all right? Because I don't know what's going on. Oh, look at all that grammar space. That's the problem. Okay, so we'll go security baseline dot zip, and we'll put in our quotations, and we'll hit enter. There it goes. All right. Okay. Alrighty, so that worked. Oh wow, what up K Dog? What up? Oh yeah, hello, just a shout out to Temple OS. You can copy in the command prompt by highlighting and right clicking, not Control C. Okay. Thank you. Alrighty, so we're good with that one. Enter the following command to open the Policy Analyzer application. Copy. All right, not working. We just have to enter it in. Alrighty, so we'll go. That's a capital C drive. Lab files slash policy analyzer slash policy analyzer underscore 40 slash policy analyzer dot exe execute. All right. All right. There. Well, oh, something happened. There we go. Okay. All right. All right. Not Control C. Oh. All right. Oh yeah. Did you check out Joe King's audit yet? All right. I got to pay more attention to this than the chat. All right. Because we only got 38 minutes left and we're only 30% done. Enter the following command. Bam. The policy analyzer window should now be displayed. If needed, minimize your PowerShell window. The policy analyzer window may appear behind the PowerShell window. Okay, so we're going to minimize our PowerShell. All right. All right. Maximize the policy analyzer window. The operation buttons on the right side of the interface may not display fully when the window is not maximized. All righty. So we have to go over here. Oh my fucking god, dude. Oh, shitty shit stain. So wait. Fuck. I don't know if we're gonna get it enough. Alrighty. Alright. At the bottom button of the policy analyzer window, select policy rule sets field. Oh darn. Alrighty. Uh-oh. If you do not see policy rule sets in and policy definitions in, adjust your screen to a higher resolution and relaunch the policy analyzer. Okay, so screen, display settings, to a higher resolution. Resolution. Keep changes. Alrighty. Let's go up. We will click out of there. We'll click out of here. We'll go grab our PowerShell. Alright, fuck it. Wait. Where the fuck is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. Alrighty, so we'll just type up and we'll execute that again. Bam! There we go. Alright, we can fucking see it now, dude. Okay, so we will minimize this. Alright, we'll put this up over here. Okay. Maximize the analyzer window. Alright, cool. What else? We can see everything now. We don't have to maximize it all the way. At the bottom of the policy analyzer window, select the policy rule set in field. Policy rule set in field. Okay. Alrighty. On the pick the folder containing, right here, it says up here, at the very top, let's get this in here. Alrighty. On the pick the folder containing the policy analyzer policy rules files window, that's what it says at the very top of this window. In the left pane, select local disk C. In the right pane, double-click lab files, double-click Windows 10 version 1809 and Windows Server 2019 security baseline, double-click documentation, then select folder. All right. Okay, so we'll go with C, local disk. All right, we select local disk. In the right pane window, double-click lab files. That's what we did. Double-click Windows 10 version 1809, this one. Yep, that's it. We double-click there. All right, double-click documentation. Then select folder. All right, select folders down here. All righty, so select folder. Okay, the policy analyzer window should now show several policy rule sets. Yes, it shows 4 of them. Okay, so we will click there. Perform a view compare of MSFT-Win10-V18 RS5 WS2019 final using Policy Analyzer by marking the checkbox, then selecting View and Compare. All right, so we want this one, the WS29 final. The policy view window will be displayed showing the various policy in that. This feature, View and Compare, shows the setting currently in the baseline security tip. View and Compare. Okay. Alrighty. Scroll down the list and look for a few policy setting lines. We're going to motherfucker. Okay, let's go here. Let's expand this out some. Okay, there we go. That's good enough. All right. So then it says, all right, perform this. We did that. All right. Scroll down the list and look for a few policy setting lines. All right. Policy setting. All right. There's 339 of them. 393. All right. Scroll to the bottom of the list and locate lockout bad count, which is 9th from the bottom. Lockout bad count. All right. What is the baseline value for the security template for the policy setting item of the lockout bad count? Is that what this is? We'll just go ahead and say this number right here. We're going to go with 10. All right, so we're going to go with 10. Oh, we got to hit score. Congratulations, you answered the question correctly. Okay, so that's what that thing is. That's the count on the very far right end. Also, near the bottom, locate minimum password length, which is 4th from bottom. Minimum password length. What is the baseline value from the security template for the policy setting item of minimum password length? 14. 1-4. All right. Score. Congratulations, you answered the question correctly. All righty. All right, and so down here, this tells you what that thing does also, all right? So if we go lockout bad count, all right, and we bring this up and we scroll down, okay, so this right here is account lockout policy, account lockout threshold. This security setting determines the number of failed login attempts that causes a user account to be locked out. A locked out account cannot be used until it is reset by an administrator or until the lockout duration for the account has expired. You can set a value between 0 and 999 failed login attempts. If you set the value to 0, the account will never be locked out. All right, failed password attempts against workstation or member servers that have been locked using either Control-Alt-Delete or password-protected screensavers count as failed login attempts. All right, so you can understand that. And then like here, lockout duration, this security setting determines the number of minutes a lockout account remains locked out before automatically becoming unlocked. The available range is 0 minutes to 99,999 minutes. If you set the lockout duration to 0, the account will be locked out until an administrator explicitly unlocks it. Alrighty. So then we'll go back here to 4th from the bottom, minimum password length, All right, see, same, okay. So we'll hit 19. Alrighty, close the policy viewer window. We'll go up. Policy viewer. Alrighty, so we'll go down. We're going to click out of here. Alrighty, close policy viewer. Alright, ta-da! Perform a compare to effective state of the MSFT-Win10-V1809-RS5-WS2019-Final. Okay, so that's the one we're clicked on right now. All right, using policy analyze by marking that. It's already marked because that's what that does. All right, then select compare to effective state over here. This feature, compare to effective state, performs a gap analysis between the baseline security template file and the current in-use value of the local operating system. Alrighty. If the user account control window appears, select yes. It did not. Okay, so this is the baseline right here, the second to end, and the very end is the effective state. That's what we're comparing, right? So we click that. We click that. Okay, the policy viewer window will be displayed, showing a comparison between the various policy settings contained in the MSFT-Win10-V1809-RS5-WS2019-Final policy rule set and the current operating system labeled as effective state. Okay, so here are the various policy settings contained in this. All right. And the current operating system here, labeled as effective state. Okay, see, failure, then success. Alrighty, okay. Notice that many items are highlighted in yellow. These are where there are differences. Oh, damn. All right, we're gonna put this soda over here. All right, and hold on, I'm gonna put this plate up real quick. We're moving this over so I can get closer. All right. Notice that many items are highlighted in yellow. These are where there are differences between the baseline file and the current effective state of the live operating system environment in PC10. Okay, so you see this? Success, success. All right. These, the yellow ones, are where there are differences, as it says right here. Highlighted in yellow, and differences. Okay, so we notice that. All right, scroll down to the bottom of the list. 393. Okay, so the bottom of the list. Remember, we were out here earlier because there's lockout bad count and there's minimum password length. All right, scroll down to the bottom of the list. Click. Notice the effective state value of lockout bad count is 0 and minimum password length is 7. All right, lockout bad count, effective state 0, minimum password length 7. Okay. Is the PC10 system in compliance with the security template based on the gap analysis result? No, it's not. Because remember, this right here should be 1414. So we're going to have to mark that no. Score. Congratulations, you answered the question correctly. All right, so we will click on that. Okay, close the policy viewer window. Policy viewer. We close here. Bam, all right. Since you are using a security template from a third party, it is essential to understand that while the template security settings may be based on general security best practices and recommendations, they are not tuned specifically to your organization's risk profile or business goals. You will need to tailor and scope security configuration templates to your organization's specific needs and requirements. All right, so we'll click there. All right. Check your work. Confirm that you determine the version and build number of a Windows computer. We did that in, where is our, now we have to scroll all the way back up for our PowerShell. Bam. Okay, and then we'll go in here and it's somewhere in there that Yeah, we did that, all right? Because I was, oh, it's also right here. See? It's right here in the bottom. Here. It's right here. Ta-da. It's just, yeah. And if we go up all the way, see. Oh, wow. Reset computer machine passwords. Oh, wow, look at that. These were preset in there. Oh, yeah, we know how to pull some shit if we get stuck. Okay, so yeah, all right. We'll confirm here. Confirm that you use the policy analyzer from Microsoft to view security-based template. We did that. Confirm that you use the policy analyzer from Microsoft to perform a gap analysis by comparing a security baseline template to the effective state of a computer. That's what this question up here was. This one right here, up there, we did that because remember, it was 14 for the baseline, and the effective state was 7, and that's why we marked it no. So, yep, we'll confirm that. All righty, and we'll hit next. Okay, here we go. 20 minutes remaining, and I think this is the last questions of this test, this lab. All right. Comprehensive questions. Each assisted lab ends with a set of comprehensive questions. Answer these to ensure that you recognize the importance of the activity steps and the uses for the information you have learned. All right, so we're up here. Okay. Performing gap analysis forces systems into compliance. That is false. It does not force them into compliance. It just it's an audit. You basically see what's going on. So that question is false. All right, congratulations. You have answered the question correctly. Gap analysis. Question 2. Gap analysis is a process that identifies how an organization's security systems deviate from those required or recommended by a framework. That is absolutely true. Score. Bam, congratulations. You have answered the question correctly. Question 3. When should gap analysis be performed? Select all that apply. After significant time has passed, yes. When meeting a new industry or legal compliance requirement, yes. When decommissioning legacy hardware, of course. When first adopting a framework, you better fucking believe it. That's all of them, all the above. Score. Oh, this answer is not correct. Okay, no. So when decommissioning legacy hardware, we don't need that. Okay. I thought about that. I was looking ahead. Okay, so when you're taking something out, hopefully, score. Congratulations. Yep. Alrighty. Okay, what the fuck is going on with my phone? Close out of there. All right, here we go. We got 18 minutes left and a couple questions. All right, what is the purpose of a gap analysis? Evaluating the level of compliance to a regulation or contractual obligation, and determining the probability and likelihood of a threat causing harm to an asset, and exploring the source code of an open source application for flaws and vulnerabilities, and discovering the differences between the intended or expected configuration of a system and its actual operating configuration. Ding, 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 ding. Alrighty, we will click here. What is the purpose of a gap analysis? The purpose of a gap analysis is to discover the differences between the intended or expected configuration of a system and its actual operating configuration. Which of the following statements is false in regard to gap analysis? Some variations from a baseline are or less secure. That's true. Security template section should be specific to its product version and build number. I think that's true. Some variations from a baseline may be more secure. Ooh, I don't know. Next one. A single security template is sufficient to analyze all systems. That's false. A single security template is not sufficient to analyze all systems. All right, so go here. Grade lab. All righty. Grade lab. That concludes this lab. When you have finished a lab, please ensure you end it properly rather than just closing the browser window. Once you select submit, you will not be able to return to this lab instance. However, if you want to repeat the lab, you can launch a new instance from your lab portal. All right, make sure you have submitted responses to all your scored activities. All righty. So, why does this go? Wait, hold on. What's over here? Okay. You can use the hamburger menu bar at the top right screen of this panel to save the lab state and return to it later. Note that you can only have a limited number of labs in a saved state at any time. I want to go through them all the way and not save and come back. I think it's better that way. All right. You can also use the menu button to end cancel a lab. Ending a lab means that no score will be recorded and that the next time you launch lab, it will reset to its original starting conditions. So that's up here. It's save, end, and split. Save, end, and split. All right. So we already know that. I think it says that at the end of every lab. Okay, bam, 100% task complete, and now we'll hit submit. Are you sure you want to submit for grading? Yes. Grading. All right, it's 11:37. Oh, bam, look at that. All righty. So, 01 Lab 1 Assisted, perform system configuration gap analysis, Security Plus exam SY0-701, duration 47 minutes and 47 seconds. So, we'll go right here. What is the baseline value for the security template for lockout bad count? 10. That's right. This was 14. I remember that. Compliance with security template gap analysis? No, because remember, it showed a 7 and not a 14. Performing gap analysis forces systems into compliance? False. Gap analysis is a process that identifies how an organization's security system deviate from those required or recommended by a framework. That's true. That's exactly what it does. When should gap analysis be performed? When first adopting a framework, when meeting a new industry or legal compliance requirement, after significant time has passed. What is the purpose of a gap analysis? Discovering the differences between the intended or expected configuration of a system and its actual operating configuration. Which of the following statements is false in regard to gap analysis? A single security template is sufficient to analyze all systems. That is completely fucking false. All right, right there you can see the last question. Okay, so there we go. We just click out of here. Nope, I don't want to print. Nope, don't want to print. Okay, so we will click out of there, and we'll go here. All right, so then we'll go back to learning plan. Okay, so I thought I just did that, motherfuckers. Access denied. Okay, because I already did it, right? So, yeah. I'm going to call this. We're 15 minutes into it, and then I'll check out this Jesse Monroe or whatever it is, Joe King audits. All right. So, hey, everybody in YouTube land, stay warm if you need to stay warm, stay cool if you need to stay cool, stay healthy, stay safe. Here, let's stop screen. Stay warm if you need to stay warm, stay cool if you need to stay cool, stay healthy, stay safe, stay sober if you choose sobriety. I'm on a sobriety trip. It's 48 degrees Fahrenheit outside. It's fucking cold. And it's May 20th. Alrighty. So, okay, so we'll go here. Alrighty, and we will look up, we'll go to YouTube. We'll get to the Joe King audits real quick. Let's type in JoeKingAudits. Joe King audits. I used to shake when I encountered police after what they had done to me. This is why I started auditing. Now I'm an animal. Okay. All right. He's not live right now. Is he in England? Okay, so yeah, everybody in YouTube land. Let's look at these chats. Did you check out Joe King audits yet? Are you studying Torah? No, K Dog is going to go to it soon. All right. Yeah, so I'm calling it. It's 11:43. I got to go to the bathroom and got to do the shower thingy and the brush the teeth. So you all have a beautiful evening. Peace. Love you. And broadcast click. And broadcast click.